Welcome guys to my backyard. As you can see, we've got debris netting. I bought a 3 metre wide roll, 50 metres long, and I'm going to join those 2-3 metres up to use on the brassica cage and the onions. In the past I've actually cable tied them together, which still meant some of the butterflies got in and did their deed. So with my pink sewing machine, doesn't mean a lot really because I've got a big pink tablet cover as well. This is the middle of the debris netting, the tie holes, and basically all I'm doing is folding it over, joining the tiles together, folding it in half and running the sewing machine through it. I've been on this now an hour or so. I've done the other half and I'm just working my way along, nice and steady, taking the time, and I've only broke one needle. Bring you guys back when I've finished that bit and I'll show you the join. So just finished off with just overlap, and I've used a cross stitch on this. Hopefully when it's turned inside out, oh, can't see guys, there we go. Hopefully that now should keep all the butterflies out. All I've got to do now is stitch this to the other net. I should be folding it over and folding the other one over, and hopefully I'll be able to stitch them together. I'll get set up. This is what bit that I thought was going to be the hardest bit. But just bring the two separate nets, just making sure they are separate. I'm not going to be stitching the same ones together. Just bring them together like that. Fold them over. Same again, cross stitch. Hopefully I've done it right. All the joints should be underneath. I've started, so I'll finish. Whatever happens now will happen. I'll bring you back guys when it's all done together. So we've probably got less than 6 metres. We'll see how it stretches out over the plot, over the frame. It's getting late now guys. I've got sewer's cramp. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and take care till next time.